Closer, closer, closer than I ever been. Closer, closer, closer than I ever been. I just know we getting closer, 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 closer. I just know we getting closer, 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 closer than I ever been.
Yeah, I used to dream about showing the world what I dream about. Forget a mic, my whole life I thought it'd be the mount. I guess it's fitting how life threw me the curveball. Pops told me work till you make it, man, then work more. I guess I took that to heart, cause I've been working harder now than I did at the start. And I won't stop till I get to the top, till I can give all of my fam all the things that they want. But there ain't no doubt I continue to be the doubted, but that's just motivating, so where would I be without it? Cause the same people asking why you're doing it will ask you how you did it. So fuck the critics, stay committed to your vision. They can't see it, it's yours. The top floor looks far when you can get in the doors, but it's crazy what you can see with your eyes closed. I swear I stay in my grind mode. I know I'm getting closer,
closer, closer than I ever been. Closer, closer, closer than I ever been. I just know we're getting closer, 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 closer.
Yo.
What
up, chat? What up? What up? Good morning.
My whole life's been a chase, it's a gift and a curse. Was on my way up to the top and slipped into reverse. And the same thing I thought killed me brought out the real me. And that's real, see. You gotta find what you love and let it kill you.
Alright, what's good?
Just gotta live with the will like Uncle Phil do. Cause on the real, everybody go through times when the sun
W's
don't
in the
shine.
chat. Happy Friday.
Alright,
let's do it.
So this is for the people that was with me when I said it. And when I said it, I meant it. I swear I won't forget it. Told my family and my friends that I'm forever indebted. It's
closer, closer, closer than I ever been. Closer, closer, closer than I ever been. I just know we're getting closer, closer, closer.
All right, what's up, y'all? Happy Friday.
I just know we're getting closer.
Happy Friday.
Closer than I ever been.
Hope you guys are well.
losing your mind when you're gone all the time and you always on the move.
I like this part.
And you try to remind yourself it's gonna be fine, and you're hoping that it's true. You start losing your mind when you're gone all the time, and you're always on the move. And you try to remind yourself it's gonna be fine, and you're hoping that it's true. But I know we're getting closer, closer, closer than I ever been. Closer, closer.
All right.
Closer than I ever been. I just know we're getting closer, closer, closer.
Morning, chat.
Morning.
Welcome in. Welcome in. AB Mike in the house. What's good, AB Mike? What up, Dominic? What's good, everybody? Welcome in. Happy Friday. W's in the chat. What up, Ewan? What up, all you 8-figure traders? Damn. Who we got here today? What up, Chala? What up, Anilo? Anilo's in the house with some baked bread. Some warm bread. What up, Mr. Lopez? Scotty C is in the building. Z Gamer is in the house today. What up, Z Gamer? What up, Louis G? Peraz in the building. Stephen B in the house. What up, Stephen B? Gotta trade. What's going on? Kelvin's in the building. Dennis Hood is here. Who else? OGH in the house. AI News. LeGrand is in the building today. What up, LeGrand? LeGrand's in the building every day. Energy's here, bringing the energy. There was a lot of energy in my house a little while ago. All the kids were up, so that's why I'm running a little bit behind. But we are here, man. We're here. Everybody's here. What up, Mr. BTC? Yeah. J Sun C in the house. No more Juan. Calling this guy Juan for 3 weeks. All right, let's get the day started. What's good, DT Gamer? What's up, Nikki? Whoa, Nikki, Nook. Yeah, Nikki, right? Yeah, Nikki in the house. What's up, everyone? Y'all doing good? Happy Friday. What up, Buzz Blab? Let's get the day started here. I got Zoom set up. Let me just fix something in the Discord, and then it's party time. It's Friday, baby. Party time. Let me move this over. And this is good. This is good. All right. Amazing. Well, welcome in, everyone. Happy Friday to you guys. I'm going to say a prayer for you real quick as we wrap up the week and go into the weekend. Father in heaven, Lord, I pray for your people, Lord. I pray right now that you bless them, Lord, whether they had a good week or a great week or an off week. Lord, I just pray that you would bless them as they move into the weekend, Lord. Give them a fresh perspective, Lord, a fresh faith, something renewed, Lord, a spark, Lord, into their heart this weekend, Father. We thank you for it. I thank you for the ones that have been grinding, Lord. I know that their harvest is here, Lord. So we thank you. We thank you for the harvest. We know that it's plentiful. And we just know the workers are few. So thank you for using me to be a light, a beacon of hope, to bring more workers into the field so that they can reap the harvest too, Lord. We thank you for it and give you all the glory. In Jesus' name, amen. Amen. Let's go. Some of y'all, it's seed time. Some of y'all, it's harvest time. Everyone's got a little bit of a different road they're running, but we're all running on that same road, man. And that's what makes this community so awesome, is it's 1,000 people with a common dream and a common goal, and we all understand each other. You know, I said that's my favorite part, right, in that song, where it's like you're just out on the grind. You know, you don't even know if it's gonna work. You're out on the grind all the time, just hoping that it's gonna be true, man. And it will be true for you, but you've got to believe it. Right, you've got to believe that it is true, and you got to believe it's for you. You got to believe what the word says, that you're more than a conqueror, that no situation, right, can hold you back. So there's a lesson in everything and every day, and in my opinion, everything happens in life for you, not to you. So you got to find a way to figure it out, right? So love y'all. Let's get going here today. It's going to be a great one. It is the 9th day of May. It is oh wait, today's Thursday or Friday? Have I been saying happy Friday? No, today's Thursday. I just didn't refresh. Holy. Oh, praise the Lord for freedom. Amen, man. Don't even know what day it is out here. Anyway, so let's go ahead and take a look. Today is the 10th day of May. My apologies. Today is Friday. That is right. Yeah, it's another day, another opportunity for us to come out here as professionals, man, and wrap this week up strong. It's been a great week. It's been a great start to the month, and everyone's doing well here. So let's see what we got going on in the news here today. You got unemployment change and unemployment rates coming out on the CAD here today. So that's going to be interesting. Then you got 10 a.m. news. So we've got nothing during NY Open. We're pretty clean during NYSE Open. And then, 10 a.m. you've got the prelim coming in here. So that about does it here for the day. Let's go ahead and jump into the charts. If you guys haven't liked the stream yet, give the stream a like. And let's go ahead and do a top-down analysis. You guys ready for a breakdown? Let me have a sip of my excess. Cheers, mates. I'm not sure what you're drinking. Coffee, water, excess. I don't know, but cheers. Let's get the day started. Wow. Damn. Okay. Gotcha. All right, gold. All right, so let's go ahead and look at the daily time frame here. As you can see, the daily has been ranging for quite a bit, right? You see, you've got this range basically from here to here. And this is the current range that the daily time frame has just been chalked, right? That's why we've had a little bit of a difficulty reading price action over the last couple days, over the last week. If any of you guys have had, a little bit of trouble with price action here, it's been a bit funky, and that's because the daily and the 4-hour time frame have been just a bit congested, like a bit clogged up a bit. So we finally broke out yesterday. We finally had a breakout here, and candle closed bullish above the range, and now you've got clean traffic coming up towards like 2400 here. Right now, the only issue, well, two issues, is that there's no top wick on this candle, right? And then there's no bottom wick on this candle. So is it an issue, right? Because if we know what we know about candlesticks, then we would assume that if there's no top wick on this breakout, then there's really no sustainable range for price to continue driving in. And if there's no bottom wick on this one, then there's a high chance that we may come down to create that bottom wick, right? So these are the stories that we could build up for potential sells here today. Now we are bullish. We are pretty much cruising through this range at this point. I have no idea what happened. This is me looking at the charts for the first time here, so not sure what happened in London or anything like that, but you've got this clean range. We can 100% continue pushing up without making that bottom wick as well. So that's what we're trying to get ready for on these lower time frames. So let's go ahead and get off the daily here and take a look at the 4-hour chart. And I just briefly want to see the weekly. Yeah, so there is room to continue up here on the weekly. There definitely is room. That's also that daily high. The weekly does have a bottom wick. So yeah, so let's go ahead and take a look at the 4-hour chart and see what we got going on. So it's been very bullish. Damn. Right? Been very bullish here. You've got, what's this? Yeah, you got this support right here. Let me just move this. Yeah, you got some resistance here, right? You've got this clean range that price is currently trading in right now. So what I think is I am pretty bullish here. I would expect to see some sort of a pullback. There's no bottom wick on this 4-hour candle yet. You're coming into this area to the left-hand side, which can cause a problem here, right? Some of this stuff over here, you do have clean range, but if we were trading this range, where would we be looking to potentially close some partials? It would be right around this area here, right? Because if this range here is all clean and it acts as like let's say a waterfall here, if you dive through it, you'll see some of the choppiness to the left-hand side, and that can cause gold to give a hold up, come back, pull back, create support, and then blast through that later, retesting all this up here. So let's see how we react. Let's go ahead and look at the 1 hour here, see what's good. Yeah, some red candles starting to come into the game here. Let's just move this up. Let's see what's good. Aha. Just happens to be right there. That's where you got the rejection off the 30. Okay, so 30 onion kind of just played out. This is the range you have on the 30-minute time frame, right? So you've got support. So notice how we're trying to find a range where it's just been a bullish rally here, right? So this is when you may want to take a look at a lower time frame, like a 15-minute time frame here. The range on the 30 is like 100 and something pips, so we're gonna need a better range than that. So let's see if we can get some sort of support formed here, right? You got a resistance, and we can use this as our range for, let's say, NY open here in about 30 minutes. So let's see what we got to the left-hand side of this 15-minute resistance here. Looks, yeah, we may have to adjust that a little bit, but above 2378 here today is super clean, running way up towards like 2382-ish. So I'm probably gonna have buys above there for right now, until we get maybe some better price action. And then 2373 looks good to go as well. So let's just go back. Yeah, you got minor support sitting about 16 pips away. Yeah, you may have to use this one, but we'll see what happens. I think this is the one I'm going to use. Below there, now you got clean traffic for about 45 pips, so it makes way more sense there. Would you rather have a 15 pip range or a 40 pip range? So I would much rather have a 40 pip range, so that's where I'm going to have sells below. And yeah, I think that's all we got here so far. Not really going to look at the 5-minute. I'm just going to settle for a 15-minute range here and pretty much just wait, wait on price action. I think we need to wait on NY open here and see if we can range in the meantime. So we still have a bunch of 15-minute candles before that, or two 15-minute candles before that. So let's wait on those, and that's the day. That is the day. Yeah, wow, what a move up. Sheesh. Yeah, you're still very bullish here, right? Very, very bullish. I would also like anticipate buys are actually pretty good if you close above 23.74 here, man. Yeah, not bad at all, because you begin to move up and potentially flip on this 1 hour candle. I think a 1 hour celery above here, I think will be the gem here. So yeah, I'm gonna keep that. I'm gonna keep this 23.74 zone in mind here as we look for buys. Right? What's the range here? Yeah, I'm gonna keep this range in mind here, man, because we are very bullish, but we gotta wait at this point. Gotta wait. 30-minute candle is gonna close here in 4 minutes. 4 minutes. If this candle closes above, that would be great. If it doesn't, and we actually waited on that 1 hour celery, what that would mean is that the next 30-minute candle is closing like this, right? So if the 1 hour gives us something like this, then at NY open, if it looks like celery like that, well, then this is what 30 minutes is going to look like. So you got 1 hour celery, 30-minute onion. I think that would be the best bet here. You got volume, you got a wick to fill, and those are your buys coming up. So that's probably what I'm going to sit tight on and see if we can get something like that. And yeah, now we wait. Now we wait. Geez. Yeah, 1 hour is bullish. I mean, daily's bullish. 4 hours bullish, but this 4 hour here is looks like it's wants to come and flip bearish, man. Not gonna lie. So yeah, that's it. Yeah, the reason, excuse me, the reason I'd be open for sells below here is just because of this 4 hour candle. I mean, look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the 7th bullish 4 hour candle in a row. This one has no wick. We're also running into this rejection zone here, where last time candles pushed up, drove down, right? So we may be up to seeing a flip here on this bearish candle here today, looking something like this, right? So spot from basically 7 to 9, can we anticipate that happening? I think if you get closures below, then there's a higher chance of this potentially happening here today. So if not, if you continue closing above, then I scratch that, and I think this candle's just gonna run. Yep. All right, man, that's the day. Let's color it up. So sells below here. This will be a fake out for buys, and we'll see what's good. Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of that white line and just draw that as a target. This one right here, because that's all that is, the wick fill. Yeah, you see all that is that wick fill right there. 4 hour wick. So that's it. That's it, chat. What's up? Damn, forgot to look over at the chat here. What up, Perez? What up, Storm Potato? How you doing? How you doing? All right. That's it. Light it up. Hold on. I gotta look at Discord. Oh, damn. Yeah, one of the mods say something. I got, damn, Louis G. Okay. And no one liked that yet? Come on. Sheesh. Now that's a, when you take a nap or fall asleep and wake up to that, yeah. What's up, Dominic? 35K subs? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. All right. 35K subs. 355 videos. Big W, man. Big W. Congratulations, squad. We're on the grow. We are on the grow. 35K. 1,000 people showing up daily, getting, even though you all may not be following your plan to the T just yet, you're getting closer, right? You guys are getting closer and closer to just putting this thing together. We all are, man. None of us have it all figured out. W's in the chat, man. 35K. Scott, 35K, brother. Scott was here on video 1 with 3 people here. 4 people. Maybe it was 4, right? I had more people on Zoom than I had in the chat. Holy. 35K. That's amazing. Yeah, that's amazing. I had no idea that the channel would grow this quickly. Even if we had 10K by the end of the year, of last year, I thought that would have been fantastic. But, you know, when you walk in faith and not by sight and your heart is in it for the right reasons, God just blesses that project. You know what I mean? And it just grows tenfold. So I couldn't have done that without, you know, the power of the Lord. So it's like, it's so cool to be in partnership with the God who created me, right? With the God who created everything we got here. So super dope. Super dope. We should give the OGs a badge or something. Scott Green. Yeah, man. Scott Green. John. Sheesh. That's it. Stephen B is in the house. What up, Stephen B? Yeah, man. I can't take credit for any of this, to be honest. All I did was show up. That's it. I just showed up. And you know, poured into people, took good trades, and that was it. I can't take any credit. Just like I can't take any credit for your success or mine. It's just all, I promise you, it's a work of God. I remember exactly where I was when I had this vision right here of what I'm looking at right now. Insane. Insane. Wags, word. Wags been here a minute. Perez, all you guys, man. Honestly, a lot of you guys now have been in the game with us for a good while. So this is really, you see, I don't watch much sports anymore, but, you know, when the playoffs come on and I have time, I'll watch. So I see the Rangers just dominating. New York Rangers hockey team dominating. And it's because, you know, yeah, they've got a great team, but that team now has been together, playing together for like 5 or 6 seasons straight. They got a lot of playoff experience together. They took a lot of wins together, a lot of losses together, and the chemistry is there, right? And that's what I feel like. That's where I feel like we're at right now as a group. I would say a good 800 of us. 800 of us, man. We don't need a 1,800. We don't need 2,000, 3,000. A good 800 of us right now, unified, really learning and growing, and no one's quaking anymore, right? Everyone's supporting each other. You go to the Discord, people talk about their mess ups, and you don't see people in there like, ha ha ha, you know, like that would be so weird, right? I would just boot these guys right away. But you see people in there encouraging one another, talking about their own struggles, and that's what we wanted, right? That's what we were looking to develop here. And it's beautiful, man. It's an absolutely beautiful thing. So W to all you guys, because you guys make the family, you guys make up the squad. You know, you make it up. $35K. And trust me, this is just the beginning. I promise you. I promise you. Bigger than you ever done it. Watch how big we do it. Just getting started, gang. Just getting started. Was there any entry in London? Can you show me? Let me see. Would I have taken anything in London? This wasn't bad. Possibly. This one, you got a good bottom wick, decent top wick. Then this one came down, made a decent bottom wick. Yeah, probably would have been in this trade. Right here. Close partials at this resistance and whatever, you know, let it go. Yeah, facts. 35K is not a lot at all. Not a lot. I was thinking we'd be at 100K. No. 100K. 100 million. All right, see how we're coming back into the range now? So 1 hour is starting to flip bullish here. Still got some time on this 1 hour candle here. You got this 15-minute candle closes here in 8 minutes. Yesterday you explained the 3 setups. You looking setup C, I guess the onion. The red candle broke the previous low. Yeah, this one right here, this was an onion play. Right here. Even if it looks better on the 30-minute time frame. But yeah, all that is all an onion is selling. It's just selling off of a resistance, right? Forget about that candle, right? If you look, price kind of came up. Oh, let me switch the color here. Came up, right? Created resistance. This is your confirmation candle right here because it's a resistance formed, meaning that you had a bunch of bullish candles and you finally got a bearish one to close. And then now this is your trading candle here. Yep, and you're looking for targets, you know, wherever. Targets are always going to be like either levels of support or minor levels or rejection levels, things of that nature. Don't jump the gun, buyers. Don't jump the gun. Easy. Woosa. Woosa. Don't jump the gun. You have to wait for the candle to close. 1 mil? Yeah, we're. What's up, Andrew? Good morning, brother. What's good? What's good? Yo, G Sammy, let's go. Hey, I'm gonna print out a bunch of posters maybe for everyone. I'll mail them out to you guys. We'll just post them in your local subways and train stations, on your buses and your malls. Let's put TTE with the YouTube channel underneath. Then we may have 1 million. Hey, we may have 1 million after that one. What's up, DS? Good morning. G Sammy, how you doing? Yo, Louis G, man, damn, that's crazy. This is what Louis G wanted me to look at. He fell asleep like it's nothing. 30-minute candles here, just running up, running up, running up, running up. Wow. What a way to wake up, eh? Good morning and happy Friday. You're still on your futures account, right? Yeah, I think I see, yeah. Nice, bro. Nice. You liking futures, right? Hey, yo, let's go, Chala. Billions. Oh, nice. You slept between your mattress and the bed? Yeah, me too. That's why I was a little late this morning. I didn't know where I was when I woke up. I was in the bathroom sleeping between the mattress and the bed. And my pillows are down on my feet. And for some reason, the toaster oven was a pillow. It was crazy, man. It was, yeah, I didn't know where I was this morning. If I was on Mars, Jupiter. I thought I was in my house, but I was actually in the house next door. Had to come over here. I was all late. Forgot to set up the stream. It was nuts. Hey, you guys gotta YouTube this kid. He calls people, or he goes on like these online interviews, and he tells people a story that makes absolutely no sense. So funny. It's so funny. I did a very bad impression of him just now, but he's hilarious. I don't know who he is or what his name is. Just YouTube like man makes up store. I don't know. Let's see YouTube. Yeah, this is him right here. Yo, this guy's hilarious. He does these interviews. He'll go on these interviews, and he'll make up a complete, like, the weirdest story ever. Go check him out. Let's listen to him real quick.
Telling a job interview or a story that don't make sense. Y'all stay tuned.
Oh, Mr. Robinson. Okay. Let's get right into this. What interested you in this job?
So I'm the swim coach for the tennis team because my funny bone, you know, had a stroke from seriousness when I was in the car jogging. So like since that happened,
I was in the
wanted to
car
sleep with
jogging.
My lazy eye little tipsy from the fish drawing in the air.
Okay. Interesting. What makes you a good fit for the job?
So like I was saying, like my mom, she a piece of air because my step grandma Warren lost his ears doing push-ups. Like, you know, like my favorite color in the alphabet is ears.
Okay. All right. So
My favorite color of the alphabet is ears.
Is good for this job, but I do appreciate you applying it.
So I started last week, left because I quit. When do I start?
Left.
Telling a job
Left.
interview or a story that don't make
Yo.
sense. Y'all stay tuned.
Could you guys hear that? Or was that too low?
Oh, Mr. Robinson. Oh.
Oh, Mr. Robinson. Yeah, nah, this dude's funny.
Telling a job interview or a story that don't make sense. Y'all stay tuned.
Tell me a little bit about yourself.
So I just graduated from working jobless university with my degree in making homemade water because, you know, my lazy eye athletic. I also have a minor in frying boneless air because I'm allergic to boogers. So now I just help brother grandma at the vet reading children's books to the old people that's not born yet.
Okay, wait, what?
I was just saying that, like, my snake, he lost his legs listening to air. And, like, my dad is she. And I'm blind on my knees. So, you know, the snail was barking.
The snail was barking.
Okay, you do know that you're gonna have to take a drug test, correct?
Wait, who are you again?
Who am I?
Yeah.
Well, not your boss, okay? I think that's it for today. This is a wrap.
Wait, so I see you next last year, right?
Yeah, apply last year, okay? And we'll talk then.
All right, see you tomorrow, Left.
Yo, this kid's a clown. Clown. Oh, man. Hey, G Sammy, is that you? That might even be G Sammy right there. Honestly, G Sammy, I feel like that might be you. Dude said my snail barking. My snake lost his legs. Old people not born yet. Yo, that kid's funny, man. Ah. Sellers, not yet. Not yet. All right. Who are you again? Yeah. Can you have a look at charts for stream? Yes, sir. Bro, this is what you do when you don't need anybody for anything, right? You just go make no sense. Oh man, let's check charts for stream here. Let's see what we got in charts for stream. So gold buys in the London and Asian session. Let's see. Price was bullish bias. Price pushed in Asian session. Okay, waited for the retracement. Came down. Okay, I see here. Came down. Made support. Entered on the break of the previous candle highs. Okay. Oh, this one right here. Gotcha. TP1. Okay, nice. Price closed bullish above the range. Okay. Damn, 3 trades. Nice. 3 buys. Broke candle high in the first minute. 30-minute. Waited for a steeper wick. Nice. Good call. Price came down. Grabbed liquidity. Entered on the break of the high. Yeah, nice. So it broke the high. So you heard what he said? He said it broke the high in the first minute of the candle, of the new candle, right? That's why I tell you guys it's sketchy. If it breaks the high in the first minute, don't get in, man, because it's most likely, see how it came down and made a way steeper bottom wick? Most people would have their stops either on the current wick or the previous wick, and it will get demolished there. So good job. Way to notice that. Yeah, W. Entry on the break of the previous candle high. And then let's see this one here. All higher time frames were bullish. Okay, retracement, support form. There you go. Easy. Enter on the break of the previous candle high. So, okay, so it looks like you... Which candle? This one you entered on? Entered on this one. Yeah, I think this might have been the only one here I wouldn't have taken because there's like almost no bottom wick on that candle. But yeah, great job. W. What else we got here? Chala took a buy. Okay, onion. Nice onion play here. Break of the previous candle high. This is textbook right here. Textbook. Candle closed above. Support created. Candle closed. Nice bottom wick. Break of the high. W. Good job, Cholo. Check New York room. Yeah, I'll check it. Let's check it. New York. Y'all think this was a bad buy stop? Where was it? Right here? This is the trading candle? Yeah, I think so. Nah, I don't think it was bad. I don't think it was bad. Price had a support. We came up, we created resistance. It came down. I don't know what this is. Like, I don't know where this comes from. It might be something to the left. But it looks like whatever happened, you got a closure above it. And then you enter on the break of the high. Yeah, I would go to like fill that wick. But yeah, no, I don't think that was bad at all. Stops are a bit steep. Probably would have my stops sitting like maybe below the low there. But yeah, not bad at all, man. Not bad. Because you're very bullish, right? You're very, very bullish here today. So anytime you kind of create a high and then come down and create a support, that's basically your opportunity to milk the cow here. So that's not a bad idea considering how bullish we really are today. Yeah, good job. All good trades. All right, look at that. So 30-minute candle, it's still open. This candle actually, which once was bullish, ended up closing bearish back in the range here. So nothing yet. Just still sticking to my plan, which is waiting for NY open here. Don't get in just yet, sellers. Just wait for the range. You're in a range now. This is your range. No trade range. Keep it simple here today. Tradable. Tradable. Not really tradable. Stop loss. Yeah, I think that's the only thing I would have done different. Storm potato. I would have probably had a better stop. Because you probably could have got a 1-to-1 out of that with a better stop. What's up, Sujay? Morning. What's up, Willie? Hey, guys. I like your way of trading. Who was your mentor? I had The main guys I learned from when it comes to trading is Raja Banks and Donvo. Those are like the two mentors I had. I would say Raja a little bit more. I think Don helped me out a lot when it comes to like actually like running a stream and that type of stuff. But most of the technical stuff come from Raja. Don really helped me like kind of take Raja's method and get it like a little bit safer in a way, not as aggressive, but build logic behind everything. So yeah, both of them guys I would say have I kind of took a little bit from both traders and just kind of made my own thing out of it. Yeah, so that's a pretty easy day here, I guess, at this point. Just really gotta wait. Remember, if the 30 closes above, the 1 hour seller replay is in play, right? That would also mean the 15 now is closing above as well, giving you a breakout. 30-minute giving you an onion / fake out. 1 hour giving you a seller replay. So it'd be a sin not to execute on that buy. It'd be the greatest trade of your life, potentially. Don and Raja, if you could find them, you could find them. If you can find them, you can find them. Storm Player in the house. What up, Storm Player? Yeah, and by the way, that's in 8 minutes here. So in 8 minutes is NY Open. We'll see where we're at. If you get no closure, if you just close here, guess what? You just got to continue to wait. Right? Because now you're waiting. So let's say this candle closes bullish right where it is. Now you're still waiting for a closure outside the range. So if you do get like something like this, then you know that the sells are most likely going to be in play for 8:30 here. And that's where you may get your bottom wick now on this 4 hour candle. So big closures coming up. If the candles close like this, that's where you should see that 4 hour begin to drive down, right? And most likely retest that area there, right? So if the 15-minute candles close like this, let's just say like this at 9 a.m., all that is this 4 hour candle. Remember, this is the low on the 4 hour the open of the 4 hour candle right there. So if price looks like this at the closure of this 4 hour candle, well, all that looks like on the 4 hour time frame is the candle closing bearish, kind of like we drew up earlier, right? Like this. And I could totally see that happening today for sure. Seven 4 hour candles in a row here, bullish 4 hour candles. Yeah, the 1 hour would also give us an onion play as well. You gotta dissect these charts, man. So the one thing that Don or Raja or anyone for that matter couldn't do for me was dissect the daylights out of this chart and build an obsession. Right, I've built up an obsession for the charts, for the candles, for the study of the market, man. You know, like I know you guys, you see me up here, but I'm telling you, there's a lot of chart time that goes behind all this, right? A lot of chart time, especially for the last few years, like last 3 years have been full dedication, full commitment. Full commitment. Late nights, early mornings, grinding on the charts, studying, working, figuring it out, tinkering, dabbling, all that. You got to be committed. How do I send a chart? You can send a chart in our Discord. So if someone could hit like !! Discord, the link will pop up. And then what you can do is you can send a chart in the charts for stream channel. which is right here. Charts for stream. Yeah. By the way, chat, took a impulse entry yesterday off the stream. Let me show you guys. Where was it? Do we have that one up here yet? I'm not too sure. I think we do. Not too sure. No, not yet. Not yet. I'll let me show you guys over here. It was off the 15-minute. Wow, it was way down here too. So 10, yeah, right here. Yeah, right here. So 15-minute time frame, everything tapped target. You see this? This was our daily high at that point. 4 hour had already tapped target. So what I'm trying to do here is trying to wrap my head around this new lingo here, this term of already tapped target, right? And then potentially looking for impulse trades, smart ones, or just playbook positions that tell us, hey, we've tapped target and now we're gonna reject. We're not gonna keep pushing forward, right? So this 15-minute candle here had opened up, right? Price had already tapped target here. It came down, it made a low, right? That low came down towards like right here, I would say, on this red candle. We came back up, made a high, and I set a sell stop. So it was an impulse entry. It was a trade with no confirmation candle. Just it was almost more so a direction confirmation over like a confirmation candle, right? So entered on the break of that low there. My targets were gonna sit somewhere down here. I ended up closing like somewhere right around this area here. Yeah, that was it. That was it. Yeah, it was a good trade. It had a lot of logic behind it. Man, I did not know gold would do. Thank God I got out that trade, right? And then gold just went on and just carried on here. But yeah, daily had tap target at that moment. So, and the 4 hour as well. Plus we were just, you know, really in a bad position there on the 4 hour. We were about to pull back. So I think it was a good trade. Good impulse entry. I like impulse entries like that. I like impulse entries like, let's say this, where price is kind of like doing this, right? And then like all of a sudden the next candle, and like let's say it's at support, right? But you see how we don't have a support yet. I like these impulse entries here. Boom, entry right there, because most likely you know that candle's going to run up and kind of create support here, right? And then most likely the next candle will fill the range, do the job, and that's your entry right there. So you're gonna probably start to see me execute on that a little bit more moving forward. The impulse trades I don't like are kind of the ones where it's just like range, and there's like a wick over here, and like you get like a candle that hasn't closed outside of the range yet, but we're gonna enter on that. Like those are the riskier ones in my opinion. Yeah, but we got a closure here in 1 minute, so let me focus, Nick. W gaming time. Let's go. Got to put in the work, man. Everyone's gonna put in the work. Who's gonna put in the extra work? No lie, man. When my even my wife, she'll go hang out, like go out with my brothers, watch movies, things like that. I was locked in, man. I was watching Raja simulations. I was nothing was getting in my way. Literally nothing. They'll go out, grab food. I'll be like, I'll wait here. I'll be here. Just bring the food back. I'm grinding right now. I ain't got time to eat. Got caught up in that mess, lost 6%. Yeah, man, it's a nasty range here. You don't want to do it, you know. That's why I was telling you guys, don't take these buys just yet. All right, don't take them just yet. It's still rangy here. And then, you know, a lot of people took buys here and then took sells here. And now it's a little confusing, right? So if it's confusing, just stay out, gang. You don't need to be in a trade. You don't need to get into a trade. You don't need to get into a trade today. Like, my mentality here today is I don't need to get into a trade, right? If a trade comes while I'm sitting down at the desk, I'm going to take it, but that's it. You know, it wasn't like that in the beginning though. I would come to the desk. It wouldn't be time to eat. It'd be time to trade. And I couldn't understand the concept of a no trade day. But guess what? I was spinning in circles during that time. All right, nice. So look, we closed bear here on the 1 hour. So this is actually looking really nice on the 1 hour time frame. You've got the break of the low there, right? So instead of taking an impulse entry there, I may wait for 815's closure. Because again, if you can get that closure there at 815, I think this begins our move down to create that bottom wick on the 4 hour chart. Right? And then we could potentially retest that zone there. Is your RR negative? My RR is whatever that individual trade wants to give me, right? So if it, let's say it comes here and does something like this, right? And let's say I want to target this area, but my stops have to be kept above, like, let's say my entry's here, my stops have to be above here. Let's see, will that be a negative RR? No, not that one, right? But let's say I had to, let's say I needed to close somewhere down here. I'm still totally fine with that. Still totally fine with that. So I don't pay attention much to RR. I like it, I understand it. Of course, I always want it to be in my favor, but that's not always what I'm more focused on. I just want to trade the trade that's ahead of me, saying, hey, this is the trade. These are the parameters. Do you like it or not? You know what I mean? And that's it. That's my execution for it. When I do it that way, I win more trades than I lose. So any sort of negative RR for the most part will be covered due to the win rate, the higher level of wins, and it makes up for it. Yeah, I'm always sizing up according to what I see here. So that's basically where my size comes from. I don't have a set size. I used to trade straight 10 lots, and that was it. So no matter what, no matter where stops were, it was always a 10 lot. Then I dabbled, with percentages, and now I've studied some 8-figure traders and got to learn from some big dogs in the industry. And they told me about this whole thing about the conditions of the trade and sizing up according to those conditions. And, so that's what I'm dabbling with right now. So it's, I like it though. It's been working well. What's up, John? John's in the house. Happy Friday. I almost thought it was Thursday here, man. I was gonna say, no one told me. It's good, bro.
Yo, happy Friday, brother Nick.
How you doing?
How you doing? Blessed day, bro. How you doing?
Blessed up, G. I'm here with the real G's today.
Yes, sir.
The time to eat squad.
Let's go. Let's get it. I'm excited to be here.
Yeah, I was just cutting the toenails off my finger and ended up looking down and seeing the sky, and couldn't really tell if I was chewing on the water or if that was just like maybe even some string beans. I wasn't too sure, what day. If it was Thursday, I don't even know. I mean, Friday's the other day, yesterday, but before that was the weekend, so I have no idea.
That's freedom. That's freedom, boy. Let's go.
Yeah, man, I was just trying to shave the hair off my toes, off the bottom of my feet, and line it up real quick.
Like you're at the barber or something. Yo, what's good, chat? What's up? Happy Friday, y'all. Let's go.
Yeah, I was at the barber getting surgery.
Nick's the barber for his toes. New day, new opportunity. We know the drill, right? We're looking to be professional traders here, so we gotta just do our job, right? Let's just consistently follow our plan and be patient and disciplined to it, and we're gonna have a great day, right? Let's stack wins. Let's let the compound effect work in our favor. So let's just stack these little wins.
Yes, sir. That's all we could do. Let the compound effect go to work. The slight edge, man.
Yeah,
Remember, it's either working for you or against you, but you better believe it's always working. So enough with the crumble. It's gonna catch up.
Right, you're either getting worse or you're getting better at this point, right? No one's ever staying the same. And that's what we mean with the compound effect. Like, you never stay the same. You only get worse or you only get better. That's up to you, right? That's gonna be depending on you and your daily habits, your frameworks, right? If you don't like this current situation you're in, then you're gonna have to change, right? People want change to happen to them, but they don't want to change. So look at your current situation. Do you like it? Analyze it, and what can we do better? Let's go.
Message.
Yes, sir. BuzzBlab, 1% better every day.
Yeah. By the way, for those of you guys who have no idea what I just said, let me play this so I don't look crazy. Yeah, this guy, John, have you ever seen this dude? This dude's hilarious. Listen.
I think so.
A story that don't make sense. Y'all stay tuned.
Tell me a little bit about yourself.
So I just graduated from working jobless university with my degree in making homemade water because, you know, my lazy eye athletic. I also have a minor in frying boneless air because I'm allergic to boogers. So now I just help brother grandma at the vet reading children's books to the old people that's not born yet.
Okay, wait, what?
I was just saying that, like, my snake, he lost his legs listening to air, and like my dad a she, and I'm blind on my knees, so, you know, the snail was barking.
The snail was barking.
Okay, you do know that you're gonna have to take a drug test, correct?
Wait, who are you again?
Who am I?
Yeah.
Well, not your boss, okay? I think that's it for today. This is a wrap.
Wait,
okay?
so I see you next last year, right?
Yeah. Apply last year, okay? And we'll talk then.
Yeah.
All right, see you tomorrow, left.
Yeah,
Damn.
that guy's stupid, man.
That's funny.
That lady looks like she was on drugs a little bit.
She definitely was.
Did I start by taking 10 pips? Yes, definitely. Definitely. And then you know what I began to think?
That was okay. Go ahead.
Yeah, I began to think a little bit, and I you know, this kind of hit me like last year, I would say, is like, why am I closing at 10 pips? Just wondering, right? Like, there was nothing on the chart that indicated me to close there at 10 pips. So I thought, well, you know what? Maybe my program is wired to do that, right? Why am I doing that? Why 10? Why not 11? Why not 9? Right? Why was it always 10? So, you know, I think I just heard that over and over, that 10 pip, 10 pip, 10 pip, and just would close there for subconsciously for no reason at all. So that's when I really started diving deep into the way, you know, we look to manage trades a little bit more now, and finding those parameters like the advantage points and the target ones, target twos, and all that stuff, because I just thought there's no reason for me to close here at 10 pips, right? There's no reason. Like, it's like, if we got into a trade here, this would be 10 pips, right? So it's like the target is like 31 pips, not really 10. So yeah, so that's why I started like kind of moving away from 10 pips. But look, sometimes there is only 10 pips, and you gotta close partials there. But yeah.
Yep.
Yeah,
The market's willing to give you more at times, right? So you gotta be willing to hold and secure that bag.
Yeah.
Listen to the charts.
Yanosh in the building. What up, Yanosh? What up, Lights Fire? It's good. Purpose. Dropout Trader. It's good. It's good.
Good, guys.
How you doing? Yeah. Yeah, if you have like a 10 pip stop though, and look, so a lot of so back in like, I would say 2021, you know, you had a lot of like 10 pip stops. You had a lot of like 15 pip stops, 20 pip stops, but now, bro, now the stops are like 40 pips, right, on average. So, you know, that's what I mean. Markets change a little bit. Sizes of range sizes change a lot as well, depending on what's happening around the world and what kind of a market condition we're currently in. So there was a time where I feel like that really did work, especially on pairs like pound yen, which I was trading a lot, and gold. You know, it was so easy to snag 10 pips on gold with like a 10 pip stop. Yeah, but we got different markets now. You know, the ranges are massive at this point. Yeah, there was a time early on in the stream where we're like 40 pip stops, nah, just let it go. Now it's like, oh, perfect, only 40 pip stops here, nice. Not like 70 pips here.
Right.
Oh yeah, this may work. This may work out here. You're starting to break this high. Yeah, this I didn't think was too bad, but no bottom wick here. So if we can kind of pull back here and then take it on the next 15-minute candle, which closes in 3 minutes, that'd be great because we just broke the 1 hour high here. And this could be a 1 hour fake out as well, just to create some sort of support.
Yeah, I'm looking at the same thing as you. Yes, sir. Daily and 4 hour got a lot of range.
Yep. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah, let's see. We got 2 minutes for
Lights
a candle
fire.
closure here.
Feeling great, bro. How you feeling?
Do we trade ES? Nah, we don't. Nah, I have some friends that trade ES though a lot. I mainly trade gold here, gang. Like these are my trades right here, and as you can see, it's been all gold. All gold, pretty much the whole year.
That's all we need.
Yeah, look at this. All gold, all gold. All gold in April outside of this one. And that was a loss too on the NASDAQ there. Yeah.
We love gold.
Gold loves us.
And gold loves us, sir.
Are we gonna buy yet? Nope. Nope. We gotta wait for this candle to close here. Are there any giveaways this month? Yeah, we're gonna try and get to like $500,000 in giveaways, man. We got 3. I think so far we've had a bunch of people, but currently I believe we have 3 funded traders from TTE off of giveaway accounts. W.
Go. That's what's up.
Yeah, man. Funded, bro. Yo, the prop firms aren't gonna allow time to eat traders in there no more. There's gonna be a little box. Are you a time to eat trader that you gotta check yes or no on? They ain't gonna allow us in the game anymore, chat.
Breed insane traders.
We breeding different traders out here. Different traders.
Different purpose out here, y'all.
Yeah, man. With purpose. That's the cool part. With purpose behind it.
Major purpose.
All right, 33 seconds for this candle to close here. We've got to close above that resistance. Otherwise, there's no trade here for me yet.
Morning, Energy. How you doing? Hope you're doing great.
Energy in the house. Good morning, Jessica Lake. What's up, AJ? Sandman, did I say what up to you yet? What up, bro? Sandman
Yo,
in
what's
the
good,
building.
Sandman?
KV,
Jessica?
8-figure. 8-figure.
Yes.
Yeah, no closure, gang. No closure. So if you
Eight-figure
guys
traders.
if you guys took the buy here, I mean, it may still work out here for sure. Like, I may miss the move now, right? Because that candle didn't close, but gotta wait.
Hey, we ain't missing nothing.
What up, Felix?
What's up, Felix? Hey, what's up, Wags? What's good, brother? Hope you're doing great.
Man, something tells me this 4-hour candle, man.
Yo, no bottom. It's tripping me out.
No bottom wick. It's also the 7th bullish 4-hour candle in a row. 7. 1 hour, yes, it does have a celery play, and yes, we are super bullish. That's why I could see this candle just boom blasting off. But there is also logic behind what we're seeing right now with all these wick rejections on the 15-minute time frame. Yeah, I would also expect that 1 hour celery to kind of work right away at NY Open, and it didn't, and the 15 actually came back down and closed below, so it could still work, but it's kind of a little shady. Like, I thought it would be gone once it broke the high there. And even if we do come down, I wouldn't say I'm bearish on gold, but I would just understand why this 4-hour candle would drive down. We need a pullback, right? We need some sort of a new support up here to keep going up. It's getting spooky here on gold. Trying to climb back up towards them highs, man. Them ATHs, them all-time highs.
Yeah, it's the only thing I'm not messing with on that 4-hour. And even the previous candle too, just drove bottom wick.
Yep. Hey, give me 1 sec. I'll be right back.
Let's go do them push-ups. Yo, Chow, where are we at on the push-ups? What's up, Chala? What's up, Louis G? What's up, KV? What's up, Scott? Good morning, Scott. Hope you're doing great. What's good, Green? Greenery. What's up, Dominic? What's up, Perez? Bro, watching your live every day, but never took trade yet. Starting with $20. Let's freaking get it, bro. Hey, I'm not gonna lie, bro. I know traders out there who started with $20 and it's now at like 30,000. So there's no cap. That's one of my biggest reasons I love trading. There's no cap to what we can make. You know, there's a cap to what we can lose, but not to what we can make. So run it up, bro. Develop the skill sets that's necessary and focus on just trading, and the money will just naturally multiply. What's up, TK? And, you know, hustle up too. Try to get some more capital in there if you can. But hey, all things are possible, bro. Good, TK. What's up, Andrew? Good morning.
That's a good point, actually.
What's up, Purpose?
Hustle up, man. So one of my mentors, his name is Luke. He talks about this concept of create, multiply, and preserve, right? And he's talking about finances there. And you know, it's okay to create, right? You have to create in order to multiply. A lot of you guys got like $1 and a dream, and that's what's up. But like, put some hustle behind that. Go create so you can multiply it, right? If you don't have anything to multiply, right, then how are you ever going to see success here? Yeah. So don't be afraid to go get that job or get that extra job, or, you know, sell this or that online, or come up with some sort of like, you know, little side hustle. I don't know, power washing people's decks. I don't know. You know, that's the work for you to do, right? To figure out what what kind of skill set can you use to your advantage to create. And then once you begin to create, aka putting money aside, right, stacking dollars, stacking money, now you can begin to look towards that to multiply it. And then once you multiply it, when you're talking like now multiple 6 figs, even 7 figures, now you begin to step into that, you know, like making sure it's smoothly growing at a very, you know, like smooth and consistent pace, right? So you got to create first though, man, and you can't be afraid to go out and get your hands dirty and figure out a way to go get money.
Yeah.
Get you some money, man. Get you some money.
Create, multiply, preserve. And you know what's going to be key to this formula is limiting your expenses.
Here it comes.
Right? Limiting your expenses.
Yeah.
You start by not spending, but by producing, right? Don't be a consumer, right? If everyone else is out here buying stuff, don't be everyone else, right? You know what you got to do. But yeah, it's going to be big to limit your expenses, because the more you limit your expenses, the more freedom you'll have for risk.
Yep.
And you'll have a lot of wiggle room for risk, to where you got to risk, right, to multiply. So that money you put to risk, you can multiply it, right, with the necessary skill sets. But that's going to be up to you, right? You got to be accountable and responsible for your investments, you know?
Yes, sir.
So you got to be having a solid work ethic as well. You got to be working on those skill sets to multiply that money.
Yep. Side note, when we were talking about impulse entries, right? Remember, chat? We were talking about ranging. This is the one I don't really like. Oh, man. Excuse me. This is the one I don't really like the best, when we kind of break the low there, because that one you didn't really get a closure yet. So I'm not going to take that impulse entry, but we should be getting this bottom wick here. Let's see if we can hold up, and there's still a bit of time left on this 15 candle here.
Give it to us.
But if we can kind of pull back a bit, leave a nice wick, that's going to be our opportunity here. May run without us. We'll see. But this was like the impulse entry that I like too, where it breaks that low, but just super, super bullish here. So gotta wait. Coming down. Here comes that 4-hour wick. Would you look at it?
Would you look at that?
Yeah, well.
Would you look at that?
Yeah, there's a few more blemishes on the card.
Oh my gosh, just look at it.
Look at it. It's a beautiful thing, right? When you're working towards mad scientist. Nice, man. Anybody take this trade? This wasn't bad. Maybe I could have avoided this support there, but we're yeah, this all made sense. All made sense. Nice. What lot size do you recommend on a $300 account? Probably like 0.03. 0.03. Oh, nice. Beautiful. Good stuff, guys. Yep. Thank God I waited on those buys. Yeah. A lot of buyers got, I'm sure, got in on this 1-hour celery type of deal.
Yeah, they definitely did.
Yeah. Wow, this is beautiful. Comics pushed us down here. See that 5-minute candle at 8:20?
All right, at least we got a bottom wick now, the 4-hour.
When you say took that trade, do you mean a sell or a buy? I'm 3 days in trading. So this one was a sell. Yeah, this one was a sell. So the idea here was to see if we can get this candle to close below this range right here, and then trade it all the way, sell it all the way down to this zone here. But it didn't close for us, right? It just ran down before a closure, and that's okay. As a trader, that's going to be okay. So if you're new, if you're only 3 days into trading, it's okay, because you have a plan, and if the plan doesn't play out how you want it to, you just wait for the next best idea that describes that plan, right, or shows that plan. So this one, we were right about the direction, we were right about the idea, but our setup wasn't there. So you're gonna want to build out a playbook with some setups, and for us, for me, the setup wasn't there yet. The idea was there, the direction was there, but not the setup. So yeah, that's gonna happen too. Yeah. What up, Xander? That's good. John, did you take it? Or you were waiting for a closure?
I was waiting for a closure, and I'm still pretty bullish until at least the 4-hour closes.
Same, I agree.
But I wanted to see that 4-hour bottom wick though.
Yeah, that made perfect sense though. Yeah, I forgot when we talked about it, but we talked about that. I think, was that in the breakdown? Oh yeah, see? We drew it here. So we wanted to see the candles look like that, so get an actual closure. But it didn't. See how it closed there? We needed that closure, but didn't. This all happened in one candle here. So that was the idea, but the actual idea didn't completely play out the way we wanted it to. But now you see the 4-hour looking something like this, right? So that's the idea behind it. So really understanding candles and what they're designed to do, that can also help you when it comes to taking impulse entries like that. Susanna in the building. What up, Susanna?
What's up, Susanna?
Good morning, or good afternoon, or good evening. I'm not too sure.
Hope you're doing great. Yeah, let's follow price.
Yep.
Let's follow price action.
Yeah, I mean, looking at the 1 hour, it was honestly perfect. Could have got rid of maybe this range here. Just took it off the 1 hour.
Yeah, no, I agree. Especially with the 4-hour with no bottom wick.
Yeah, this is your target here.
Yeah, that wasn't bad.
All right, 15 closure coming up in 1 minute now, but we've already tapped target here. So where can we go next? Where can we go next? So 4 hours is going to close here in about 30 minutes. So you still got 8:30 here where price is going to want to close, right? So let's see what happens. Right now we're reacting to support. We're kind of rejecting off of it. 30-minute close in 45 seconds. So we will see here how we do. Yeah, exactly, Scott. Me too. And then I'm also sitting here thinking, well, if I showed him this and what I was looking at, would he accept it? All right. And I think I
Yeah,
think
'cause-
I think I would have decent reasons, because that was really the only ranges we had, you know, on any of these time frames, because the 1 hour really doesn't give us much of a range. We're beginning to form it. 30-minute, it was just kind of up and down, no actual range there. The 15 is the really only one that gave us some sort of a range to work with. So yeah, maybe we'd be in trouble. I don't know, maybe not.
Yeah, 1 hour is super clean, but still we were bullish on on the higher time frames. The only reason I think maybe we could have been more aggressive in taking the 1 hour sells is because of the no bottom wick on the 4 hour.
Yeah,
But
yeah,
besides
exactly.
that, I feel like we're big chilling, waiting for what we want
Yeah.
from according to our analysis.
Yeah, the idea there was money. 4 hour no bottom wick. But yeah, still gotta follow the actual plan. Hey, Chala, W, bro. Cheers, mate.
Congrats, bro.
Big congrats. All right, let's see what the four. There's no wicks on any of these 4 hour candles too. Yeah, CAD news coming in here too. That's right.
Yeah.
Congrats, Chala. Chala. W, bro. No surprise, no surprise. So yeah, so last time, so this is a support level now, right? So will the 4 hour continue down, or is it going to pull back, and now that it's got a bottom wick? So this is big here. You know, I think if we flip bullish to break the high, we're going to create some sort of support now for price to move back up here.
This is big, yes. Yes, sir, Nick. Big closure.
Big.
Because this 4 hour closure could lead us to what the daily wants to do in the next 4 hours as well, and what price wants to do, right, for the next 4 hours.
Yeah, and just because we have a bottom wick now doesn't necessarily mean we're going to go bearish, right? Maybe this candle had to come down and make a bottom wick just to keep going, and that could happen. There's still 27 minutes left here. So yeah, we'll see what happens, how we react to support now.
Sir.
If you close like this, you see how this candle looks right now, then I wouldn't mind taking a swing at an impulse entry here, right on the break of that high right there, for price to pull back on the 4 hour. I wouldn't mind it, because if you're hitting support, this candle tapped target, this one tried to break the low, didn't break the low. If the next one comes down a bit and then breaks the high, then it's most likely going to push up.
Sir. How can I become more disciplined? Well, to be disciplined in one area, you need to be disciplined in all areas. So, you know, if you want to be disciplined in your trading, start with the diet, start with the gym, start with your relationships, start with your money management. Right? So start to be disciplined in other areas. And then also, you know, something that helped me was writing out my business plan, my trading business plan, I should say, and keeping it by my desk. And every single morning before I come to the charts, just rereading what my business plan is. What am I doing today? What's my job, right? It's a trader, and maybe that can help.
Yeah, actually someone asked me that on IG yesterday, and they said, how do I strictly follow my plan? I said, you gotta write it down and do not break it. You break it, you die.
Yes.
You break it, you die. If you live like that, I remember I used to be in a network marketing business, and I had a goal, because most people had a goal for 2 contacts a day. I made a goal for 3 to 4, right? Because I wanted to be anything but the average, right? So I would trick my mind and I would say, if I don't get these 3 contacts, I die. Can you get that real with it? Right? You break the plan, you die, man. Just imagine if you break the plan, there's someone holding your family hostage right now, and it's going to be bad if you break that plan.
Because it really could be like if I
because there is someone holding your family hostage, by the way, the Matrix, and they will live in that Matrix unless you free them and unless you get the job done. So there, as much as we joke about it, it's truly on the line.
Yeah. Hell yeah. And even when you are consistently profitable, you know, whatever you want to say, you still have a certain level of accountability and responsibility to keep following that plan, right? So, because chat, you know, if I consistently break my rules and plans, like my life is going to be going down, right? And that can't happen, right? So that kind of fear kind of fuels me to follow my plan, be accountable for it, you know, and stuff like that. Yeah. Yep. Tough to get it and tough to maintain it too, right? Both have certain level of accountability and responsibility for damn sure.
That's why you need that why, man. That's why you got to know why the heck you're doing this, right? If I put a line, right, a wooden board between 2 buildings, right, and I told you, hey, if you go from this white building to this orange building, I'll give you $100,000. Right now, the one thing is the height here is like, let's say this is the Empire State Building in New York, right? So you got to walk above that. So this is like, I don't even know how high that is, but the city looks like little pipsqueaks down here, right? And you got to walk across, and on the other side, there's like $100,000. But if you fall, you're done. You're dead. Are you gonna walk that? Some of y'all like, hell yeah. I guarantee you, when you get out there and the wind's blowing and you look at the height and you think, man, is it really worth my life $100,000 here? I don't know, man. I don't know if I could do this, right? But if you put your family members over there, right, and the people you love the most, and the building is being set on fire, are you more able to get over there and save these guys and get back?
Great point.
You are, right? Because the why is deeper, right? The reason is deeper. Money alone won't motivate you. Promise you, man. When you get 10 grand, you're going to want 20. When you get 20, you're going to want 30. When you get 30, you're going to want 40. When you get 40, you're going to want 50. When you get 50, you're going to want 60. Trust me. Trust me. Right? Nothing's going to change. But why are you doing what you're doing? You know, that's the real thing is, do you have a deep enough why to really commit here and really take this thing serious to get to those next levels?
Yep.
You dig? So that why
Yes,
is
sir.
so important, because that's what's going to drive you to take that journey.
Hell yeah, man. That's the only reason you guys see me here every day. And Nick, right? We know our why. We know why we're here. And that's something a lot of people don't do, is just ask themselves why. What is your why? You know, you gotta figure that out for sure.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, but yeah, because going back to that discipline question, you know, we're trying to be this industry. Only the top 10%, 1% are gonna make it. They're gonna do it professional full time. It's just like professional athletes in a way, you know. And professional athletes, whether it's baseball or basketball, whatever the sport is, they all have some sort of pre-game routine, right? They take batting practice, they throw the ball. The basketball players shoot the basketball, work on their dribbling, you know, before their match, right? So in trading, you know, that's how I kind of looked at it. Like, all right, before I come to the markets, you know, my match, quote unquote, I'm gonna get a pregame in, right? I'm gonna go over certain affirmations. Like, I'm a profitable trader, you know, I'm gonna go over my confirmations. All right, gotta look for these playbook setups, clean candles. Yep. Go over what not to do too, you know, and then go on, right? We're preparing ourselves to have a great day. That's how I kind of looked at it as well, and that's what helped me be more disciplined. Going back to that question.
Yeah. Yep. Routine, man. Routine, man. Systems.
There.
I'll do it in high heels. Hey, you ever been to the top of the Empire State Building? I've been there. I don't know if I could walk. I don't know if I could walk across a wooden plank with no parachute for $100 grand. I don't think I know I wouldn't do it. Some of you guys are like, well, depends on how bad you need the $100 grand. Well, there you
I
go.
definitely ain't doing it, but for the second reason, I would.
Yeah, but for the second reason, you know, you would find a way to win, right? You would figure a way out to get over there and, you know, save your people. Yeah, I want this candle to close bearish because I want to attempt the impulse entry here on stream. If you got nothing to lose. Yeah. We got a lot to lose though. W lights fire. Lights fire.
W.
Yes, sir. Money's not good or bad. It just takes on the characteristic of the person who has it. So if you're a good person, you could do a lot of great things with the money you have.
Great quote. Yeah, I agree, Andrew. Sir.
Yeah, Sandman's been up there. Me and my brother Joe and my dad, and we went up there a couple years back. We went to a Ranger game, went to the top of the Empire State Building. It was nuts. Couldn't even I honestly, you know how they have like the big gates around it. Even up there it was super windy, man. I couldn't imagine walking on a plank.
Through that. Someone did that, remember? Do you know about that story? On the Twin Towers? Someone like walked across like a wire.
Oh yeah, you know
Yeah,
what?
you know what
I
I'm
did hear
talking
about that.
In like the 70s, I think, right? Like when they were getting built. Or just after they got built. Crazy stuff.
That's nuts.
Little impulse, how you now?
Hey, dude. Yeah, maybe current candle stops. Love to play around with it a little bit on Friday. I'm gonna play around with this idea of tap target. You know what I mean? Can tapped target lead to impulse entry? Yeah, we may get the candle to close bullish too. I mean, I don't want.
Beats hitting.
Yeah, it's got to be a wick here though. It's got to be some sort of a high to break. Man on a Wire documentary. Oh, okay. There it is. Man on a Wire. Let's take a look at that 4 hour again. See the 4 hour flipping bullish here again. The wind is wild up there. I know, man. Wind is wild up there. It's wild. So you do have an onion play here. Last 15 of the 4-hour candle as well. 4-hour already did pull back quite a bit. 30-minute trying to form support here. So if you get a bottom wick, I may attempt this. A buy stop here. Yeah, because that means that the 4-hour would potentially close bullish, right? Somewhere along these lines. Yeah, gold is much more volatile. Yep. There's a lot of range now in gold, like big, massive ranges. Like the range right here is close to like 20 pips around this area and then like 40 pips up here. So the range is pretty decent. Yeah, I don't want to use previous lows though. They're a little too steep. It's not the greatest. I'll probably let this one go. Let the 4-hour close. If we were down here,
4-hour.
back when we were like right here, that would have been a little bit better. Just passed my 50K. Hey, yo. W, man. Congratulations.
Congrats, bro.
W. Is there a difference between futures and the normal chart? A slight difference, yeah. A little bit different. You see the numbers here, like 23, let's see, like that 2378. If you go to this chart, or is it this chart right here? That same high is 2384. So it's a little bit different in terms of like the numbers and stuff, but all in all, same price action. Hey, give me a sec. I'll be right back. 1 moment.
Go get some more push-ups in. Let's get it. Yeah, we'll get a lot better information and confirmation with the 4-hour closure and 30-minute in just about less than 15 minutes. So it's good, chat. How's everyone's day been? Any trades so far? How we looking today? Friday, right? It's Friday, so the vibes are up. Yeah, congrats to everyone passing these challenges. That's awesome.
Yeah, W. Yeah, I forgot to honestly, I forgot to set up the stream, everything last night. I gotta add this win here. Let me just make sure I didn't add that. I added it here, I believe. Yeah, so 1, 2, 8. Yeah, I gotta add this. Yeah, I didn't even set up the stream till this morning. I took that win after stream yesterday and I was gone. Let me do this.
Nice, good stuff, guys. Down 5% on one step. Give some suggestion how to recover. You know, if you have a working strategy that works and it's not working, then you're the one who's not working it. So look, what can you learn from, right? What are those lessons and those losses that you took to go down 5%? Learn from it, build on it, and just focus on following your plan, dude. Because the plan, if you have a winning plan, it should work, right? Work it. How do we work it? By executing on our plan on every single trade. That's it. And take the tips we gave earlier on how to be disciplined to your plan and learn from your mistakes, and you should be good.
Yeah,
Keep it simple.
Rewatch the stream today a few times. I forgot to hit some gems here, but pretty sure there was some good stuff. Yeah, a lot of after 10 a.m. trades here this month so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades after 10 a.m. so far. What about last month? Yeah, so I'm not really interested in this buy. I want to see if we can get like a cool like impulse entry in, but it's not gonna. I'm just gonna wait on the 4 hour here now, because this was the idea that the 4 hours should look like this by 9 a.m.
I'll be right back.
All right. Hey Nick, hope this doesn't sound awkward. Hey Capricorn, may I know how much you're funded? I'm not. I use my own capital, so I'm in the process this year in taking a 10K account to $100,000, and that's my goal. That's kind of like, if I have any goal, it's kind of like that's what I'm trying to do in a way. Let's see. I've got a nice project on my hands. Big job ahead of me. All right. What are we doing? What are we doing? That's pretty good. Perez, yeah, so I can go visit Perez. Yeet. Out in Bali. Oh wow, really driving down here. Yes, good. We need some bearish signs here on the 4 hour candle. Lovely. Yeah, 1000% ROI. Yep. We'll see if we could do it. I've talked to Raja a few times, gone back and forth. He's given me some tips. I also have another guy who's really been helping me out, who's got like some really good track record with trading over the past like 15 years. So yeah, man. Yeah, I'm up for it. I'm up for the task. This is the first time I've ever, I've basically gone through the stage of flipping accounts early on, like getting accounts and flipping them. And then my next stage was mainly in like 2022, where I was funded, right? So just kept funded accounts going. And now this year, I want to actually take the time to slowly build an account, like a nice account growth, and see if we can get it to from 10K to like 6 figs within the year. Yep. Yeah, this is nice. 4 hours looking good here. Yeah, because then when you have like couple 100,000 in your account, you're chilling. You know, you can leverage that. You can make good money.
Yeah, I'm
All
with
right,
these
this is
cells
great.
here.
Yeah, this is great. It's looking good. Setting up. That guy TK in the house. It's good, TK. So let's remove all these zones and let's do a quick top-down analysis here. So looking at gold where it's currently at right now, right? We understand that the daily was ranging quite a bit, right? And we finally got a closure outside of the range here. But we do know that that candle closed with what? No top wick, right? What do we know about bullish candles that close with no top wick? Is that most likely the next candle, it could drive, but it won't really hold the move, right? It won't continue to aggressively move. So we can use that to our advantage. Not saying that this candle cannot continue going, because it most certainly can, but most of the time, if a candle has no top wick, the next one will kind of move up, but then end up coming back down, right? And then also on this candle, we have what? No bottom wick here. So no top wick on this candle, right? No bottom wick on the current candle. And it's just kind of broke out of a sketchy range. So very interesting price action here on gold. Let's go ahead and take a look at this 4-hour chart now. So can we anticipate that the candle may pull back here, right? And by looking at the 4-hour candle, I think if you do get a bearish closure, that may be your opportunity to say, okay, we're pulling back, right? If we go over here and kind of try and find some sort of ranges or anything that we can use, you have this level right here, which is a pretty strong support. A lot of wicks here, supports, wicks, you know, all that stuff right to the left hand side. So I think if you do close bearish below there, and you get this resistance formed, that we can anticipate that the next candle could drive down, giving these two candles their own bottom wicks as well, and then coming back into, you know, somewhere in these ranges down towards like 2340. So this candle closed in 3 minutes here. So let's take a look at the 1 hour. 1 hour's got a strong support right here, right there. Below that is clean traffic to the left. We have a resistance right here on the 1 hour, and this is your range, right? So let's take a look at what that looks like on the 30. 30 looks good. It looks pretty clean, coming down towards 2350, and that's it. That's it. That's what we're gonna play, or that's what I'm gonna play here. You also have this level here, but I think we're clearing that out now, right? If we look at the 15, it's clean on the 15. It's pretty clean on the 30. Very clean on the 1 hour, and then if the 4 hour closes bearish, that may lead to, you know, another 4 hour candle coming down towards like 2352. So that's what I got here for from 9 to 10 or 9 to 11, and we'll see how we close. But that's a fresh idea, fresh analysis. Sometimes you got to do that and see where we are. So we'll see how the 4 hour candle closes and go from there.
Sir.
What am I doing here? This.
Wow, Shadow Dancer, really good job, dude. Really good job. Just curious though, how come you didn't have any withdrawal points? Like, how come you didn't want to touch any of it, you know, or how come you didn't want to pay yourself? But good job, dude. That's sick.
Wow, yeah, that's nice. Never touched a dime, baby. Wow, that's awesome. Feels good, right? Trading 155K. Now look, we're still expecting a top wick here, right? And look, unfortunately, the high is way up here. So that means that you can get a wick that comes all the way up here and still be good to come down, right? And drive. That kind of happened yesterday. If you guys remember yesterday's 9 a.m. 4 hour candle right here. See how we came all the way down, respected the low, and ended up pushing up bullish yesterday. So that's what we got here. I do expect to see some sort of a top wick. But we got 45 seconds here. 30-minute celery today would be fuego. Fuego.
I don't know though. Freaking 4 hour, 9 a.m.'s been driving on this
I
recently.
know. Yeah, that's the thing too. 9 a.m. has been driving. We got a driver. All right, I think we are going to get a closure here. So we are going to get a closure below the range. So yeah, let's see if we can get this 4-hour top wick. Perfect open there. Let's see if we can get a price to push up, give us a top wick, and may have some sell stops here. There you go, because I got a job and I didn't need the money. Yep, that's the beautiful part about it. Now for 7 years you've been chipping away, growing as a trader, developing, and now you got this skill set with a, you know, multiple or bit high, 6-figure account, and you don't need the money. What a place to be, eh? Good job, Shadow Dancer. W. So new 4-hour open here. So we know the vibes here. Past 5K challenge, do I get 5K account? Yeah, technically, yeah, you do. But there's a profit split there and all that stuff. How you doing? What's good? It's goody, it's goody.
Make a steeper top wick.
Yeah, because that top wick is most likely going to be what we need as a stop loss here. Possible buys? I don't like buys yet. Yeah, until you close back above the range, I don't really like the buys just yet. Wow, Shadow Dancer, you're a savage. That's savage. Yeah, so to avoid FOMO and wait for this top wick, I'm going to be right back.
It was hustling. Good stuff. Yeah, facts. Got the 4-hour candles have been just driving recently. Right off the open. Feel that. What's up, Dominic? Any plans this weekend? Nah, not much. Just gonna be chilling. Work on myself, obviously, as a trader. You know, evaluate my trades. Maybe touch up with my mentor. You know, chilling. Track really hit me. Yeah, this track's fire. Really good beat to it. Yeah, Shadow Dancer, really, really good job, bro. A lot of people wouldn't do that, you know, that of what you do. So, good stuff. Way to sacrifice, bro. Way to understand that there's sacrifices, you know, along the journey that are part of the process. That's really good. There's certain seasons for things. I love it, dude. Yeah, Andrew. you know, Nick's my mentor, and as well, you know, trading, I like to listen to Nick and Raja. Nick's just been my mentor since I was a young kid, though, you know, so he tells me a lot with my psychology, things like that. And then he also showed me Raja, so I'm gonna, you know, if Nick's watching Raja, I'm gonna watch Raja too. In the beginning, talking about. But yes, sir, Andrew. What's up, Alariza? You have another life mentor other than Nick? Honestly, no. Nah. I have a lot of mentors that maybe like that I don't know, you know, like Earl Nightingale. I love listening to him and being a student of his. But other than that, no.
Guitar. Yo, Ali Reza. What's good? Dono. Bait D. What up, Bait D? No top wiki, no entry. You guys probably want to punch me through the screen like, ah, take it. Oop. Hey, W Andrew. Let's get it. Why does he have to be so disciplined? W, man. Yeah, we're happy to have you here, Shadow Dancer. I know you're I know you haven't been here too long, right? Haven't been here too long, but you've been a common name, it seems like, ever since you showed up, and it's great, man. It's good to have you, and glad to have you a part of the squad, especially now knowing a little bit more about you. 7 years in the game, nice, longer than me. Longer than me. Scott. Scotty C. There you go. Thank you, Legrand. Thank you, bro. W. See, even I gotta walk away and go. Gotta walk away from FOMO, man. Remember in the 80s? Just say no. Gotta just say no. Just walk away. Alright, so will we get the top wick or what? It's trying. I still like sells. We just need a top wick.
Oh.
Hey, David. Welcome, my friend. Welcome. Nice to have you here as well. Yeah, about a month. Yeah, sounds about right. Shadow Dancer. Walk. Maybe we'll get the impulse at 9:30. That's right, Praz. Little swing and impulse here today. Freaky Friday. Do you look at that? Only if TK allows it. TK, what do you think, bro? Chat, you tell me what to do. How about that? How about today it's opposite day and you tell me what to do? Who wants to come up here and do a top-down analysis? Stephen. Stephen B. Come on, chat. Buy or sell. Teach me. Come on, coach. What's it going to be? Oh, here we go. Here we go. There it is, chat. There it is. Would you look at it?
Would you look at that?
Yeah, well.
Would you look at that?
Yeah, there's a few more blemishes
Let's
on
look
the
at it.
card.
Oh my gosh, just look at
the
it.
card is not perfect.
Just look at it. Just look at it.
Yeah,
Oh.
What the heck is that? Oh, look at it.
Oh, look at this. Yeah, so I still like sells, but if you close above, then not so much anymore. Could be a 1 hour fake out for the daily to continue running here. Yeah, that dude's laugh is unreal. Sell now for the discount. Yeah, Roger be like, discounted price right here. Yeah, you may create support. Yup, this may be a fake out. Daily's still heavily bullish here. Four hour broke the lows, now breaking its own high. 1 hour candle closed outside the range. Same thing, broke the low, breaking its own high here. Yeah, we got 17 minutes left on the 30, 2 minutes left on the 15 here. Back in the range here, wow. There's the right answer. Wait for setup and entry. Bingo. Bingo. All you other guys wanted me to gamble here. Come on. Teach me the right way. Eagle 4000. About to take flight. TTG. NASDAQ? Yeah, we didn't even look at NASDAQ today. Let's do a rapid fire breakdown here. So daily's bullish. We finally closed above that area there. 4 hour closed bearish with no bottom wick. So that's a good sign that we may start moving up. 1 hour is starting to move up. 30 minutes starting to move up. 15's moving up, creating support. So yeah, I think you may see a run up here. 15 closes here in 40 seconds. 30 closing 15 minutes here. The 15 closing back above this range, I don't really like that much. I'd rather wait for a 30 closure because I don't want to trade the 15 in here. So gotta wait for a 30 close here. Yeah, we broke those lows on the 4 hour in the first 5 minutes, I think. Yeah, in the first 5 minutes. So very sketchy, right? Time to gamble. NAS, I don't think NAS is selling right now. I think there may be a support being formed because this candle kind of drove through most of the range already. So there may be a new support because the 15 closed bullish there. Yeah, 4 hour also closed with no bottom wick. It's a big 30 closure here because if the 30 closes above, then we got a nice support. I think we're going to take buys going up. If the 30 closes below, then that means that the 15 candle has now created a 4 hour top wick closing back below. Therefore, the wick should get filled, right, during 9:30. So the 30 closure is the big one here because that gives us an idea of where the 15 is at. And if we close below, then that means you had a 15-minute fake out right here for price to continue driving down, and we just needed to get that 4 hour. So this is potentially the 4 hour top wick, and then if the candle closes bearish now back below and the 30 closes below, then you have an entry right there at the bottom of that box to fill that wick and then potentially, you know, move down towards 52 there. Yep. 1 hour's bearish, 4 hours bearish. The only thing bullish currently is that daily still. So I think this is a big closure here for us. 30 celery, I wouldn't want to wait to take it below here though, right? Because I'd want to target that. So I know that if it closes as a celery, aka closing, let's say below the range right here, then I know that the 15-minute gave us a resistance, right? And then this was a fake out. So that's where I would want to enter off the break of the 15 low, which would be probably somewhere right here, right? And then go down to fill that wick and kind of use that as a target versus an entry, if that makes sense. Yeah, I mean, which entry would you rather have, right? If you have a 15-minute onion, you can enter here, right? Or you could enter here. The move is already kind of happening at that point. Like, I want to be involved in that from up here. And then if you close bullish above the range, then I think you're probably going to move up, right? I think you broke the lows there to move up. So we'll see. We'll see how it's a big closure. Another big closure.
Big closure.
What's up, Donald? Happy Friday, man. Dominic. Yeah, 35K subs. We clapped here today. Or yesterday it might have been. Giveaway day? Yeah, you know what? I think we'll do some giveaways today. Yeah, we'll hold it down with some giveaways here today. But we got to get to at least like 500 likes, man. Y'all being cheap. Cheap as cheap can get. Damn. Damn.
Yeah.
Look over at this. How many? 250? Holy. Man, we used to get that before the breakdown. Remember? You guys remember I said when I wouldn't do a breakdown until we had 300 likes? Sheesh. Now you guys leave me hanging the whole live stream, man. The whole stream. Damn. $500 likies and we'll change some lifeies. No likey, no giveaway. No.
Yeah. Yeah. Like it up, chat. Come on.
Damn, being mad cheap. I'm just messing with you. I know you guys forgot to do it, and you were so zoned in and taking notes and locked in. I get it. I get it. Just fooling with y'all, man. You like or die? Do we buy gold yet? I'm not gonna buy yet. It all depends on this closure, right? We got a closure back into this like choppy no trade range, so that's why I'm not buying here. But if we do close above on the 30-minute time frame, I'm down. I'm down. We gotta see what we do here. Oh man, I love you guys. You guys are great. 336. Can we get to 340? Can we get 340 likes? I guess I'm gonna have to work for them again. Yeah, 340. Can we see 340? 340, 340, see 336, 336, 340, 340. There's 340. Can we see 350? 350, 350, 350, 350, 350. Do I see 50? Do I see 50? I see 42. I don't see 50 though. Do I see 350? Can we get to 350? 10 more people to like for 350. Can we get it? Can we get it? Can we get it? Sold. 349. My bad. Nope, nope. Little short, little short. All right, so we're coming up here now. Oh, 370, blowing my expectations away. All right, let's see 360. Crucial area here. Crucial, crucial. Big zone. Big zone. Giveaway at 500 likes? Yeah, yeah. We probably got two. We got like 50,000, maybe $75,000 in challenge accounts that we want to give away here, but we'll see. Moving on up here. Oh, nice. Almost 400 now. 5 away. 5 away. Now we're working. Yeah, man. Gold back up here. Wow. Yeah, we have three people that I know of that have are funded now off of these giveaways. I know there was a few other people before that. I don't know if they're still funded or what, but currently we got like 3 people that I just spoke to recently. Oh, gaming time. Thank you, man. We got a sub, baby. We got a sub. Let's go. All right, 30 closure coming up. Now that's a top wick. Spence. Yeah, what up, Spence? Yeah, Spence is funded. That was off the giveaway, right? That's a W, bro. Oh, nice. J4 trades. W. Back to BE. That's lit. That's lit. All right. No good stop loss. Yeah, so about that stop loss. Yeah, wow. Oh, nice, Justin. W. Spreads went up like crazy. What are our spreads at, John?
0.
Sheesh. Is it like 0 point something though?
0.1.
Gotta love it. Yeah, see the NAS worked out good here. Shots fired. Clink, 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 clink. Damn. 11 pip spread. Yeah, that means 1.1. Yep. The bull run won't stop here on gold. You signed them up, G Sammy? Hey, tell them if they bring 2 people in, they get their membership for free, eh? We signed them up to Forex. How many of you guys got signed up to Forex before? Dudes in my hometown thought Forex was a company. Yo, Green. Dudes in Haverstraw thought the 4 hour was a company that you signed up to. I was done. I remember this kid's like, yo, where's everyone at now? No one's promoting Forex company. I'm like, dude, Forex isn't a company, bro. Because, you know, you guys remember in the scamdemic thingy-majiggy that went down, like, trading became extremely popular then. Extremely popular. Everyone was a trader at that point. Gee, Sam, you got the dog signed up? W. Dog signed up. How'd they pay though? I remember when someone taught me about, I was in 5th grade when someone taught me about 50 Cent. I thought he was like a group. I was like, what an interesting name, 50 Cent for a rapper. Wow, this is so tough. 15 close back in the range. 30 minutes still open. 1 hour still bearish. 4 hours still bearish. Holy. Damn, I really want to see this 15 close above here. Because, to be honest, I'm a little bit more bearish, I would say, based off of that 4 hour closure. And we already broke the lows there. Yeah, what's this? Sheesh. Yeah, that's tough here, chat. Yeah, I don't like that we closed back below here. Not good. This might be the impulse entry here to the downside. Let's see if we come back up a bit. I'm gonna have sell stops on the break of those lows again. Yeah, I like this. I like it. I like it. Yeah, I'm going to get in sells here. Right here. TP is going to be down here towards these wicks. So another impulse entry. See how we do here at 9:30. Just saw 50 cent at the garden. Hey, 50. 50. Oh, might have got pack runnered. Either way, I like this. Break of the low there. $10-day money back guarantee. Got that 10-day money back guarantee, bro. Get them 2 for free. Staying out. Yeah, this is dangerous. Stay out. If you guys don't like this, this is an impulse entry that I'm sample sizing here. And it can go either way because you got no closure. You're still stuck in the range there. See if this 1 hour wants to come down. Yo, there was a lot of things happening at Madison Square Garden this week, man. Rangers, Knicks, Rangers, Knicks. It's crazy. Rangers won last night. Overtime. How are the Knicks doing? I think they're up. They're up too as well, right?
Yeah, I believe so.
Yo, what up, Juan? What's goody? What's goody? I've been trading futures pretty much the whole year now. Almost since March. No, yeah, since March. Yeah. Since March. Yeah, I started a account, just some personal capital. Put 10,000 in, gonna work on it all year, see if we can get it to like 6 figures. Have a 6-fig account next year. Yeah, I am. I'm liking it a lot better, to be honest. It's just a little different than Forex, but for the most part, there's a lot more pros in terms of like no spread, no slippage, like things like that, which I like because like when I take trades, I want to get the entries I want. You know, I want to get the exits I want. I don't want to have too much spread or slippage. So if I'm like more of like an intraday trader, then I would say I wouldn't care about spreads as much or slippage, but I'm not, you know. So those things mean a lot to me. So when it comes to futures, you don't really have any of that. Yeah, this here is an impulse entry. Yup, this is something I'm sample sizing and trying to act on more and more during high times of volume. Yep. Yeah, with the 4 hour being bearish, 1 hour being bearish, 30-minute did close bullish but below the range here. That's why I took this on the break of that low, expecting 930 to potentially push us down here. Yeah, we'll see what happens though. It's a riskier trade, right? So I wouldn't expect everyone to get in this, but this is something I'm working on as a trader here, so that's why I'm pulling the trigger on it. Yeah, the idea makes sense with everything being bearish, but you know, we could still go bullish too, right? 30-minute did close bull with a wick to fill and all that good stuff. So everything is better, bro. Everything. Yup. Yup. Yeah, I like it much better. What's the 5-minute doing here? 5 minutes. 5-minute kind of closed right at support there, so not much volume here just yet in this 930 candle. How to manage? There's really no way to manage right now. You know, you need this 15 candle to close and then kind of go from there. But you're using current candle highs as your stop, or at least I am. So there's nothing to manage here. It would just be, if I manage there, it'd be impulsively, right? We got to break through that support. So that's what we're trying to do right now, is head down and fill that wick there. Hey, Green knows the vibes too, man. 21 pips. 21 pips. Let's see, gonna close it right here. 21 pips. So yeah, that'll be it. Just sample sizing these positions, and yeah, it worked out decently here. Let's see if it actually fills the wick or not, or if it rejects off of it. But that's gonna be my trade. 21 pips there, and that's it. Getting used to, I want to get back into the swing of it, because hey, Green, remember when I used to take those impulse entries all the time, right? And really worked out well, you know. But you've got to use them in the right times, in the right places. It's not, they're not called for all the time, but especially when there's high volume coming in, it's definitely a good option.
Good trade, Nick.
Thanks, bro. Yeah, because we don't know what we want to do at this support until that 15 closes. If it closes below, then that's a really good sign that price will continue down. But if it doesn't, then you know, this may become your range now, right? That you just kind of mess around in. Yeah, so there might be another trade if you get a closure looking something like this. So that's going to be my new range now, and then I'm going to wait for closures outside of it. News coming in. Yeah, that's partially why I want to close here too. Got news coming in 20 minutes.
Yeah, bro, I think that's going to do it for me.
All right, cool, man. Yeah, it's Friday. It's chopping around a lot here. Yeah, W week, bro. Yeah, I'm going to hang out for a little bit.
Talk to you a little bit later.
All right, cool. Yeah, I'll give you a shot later.
All right. Peace, chat. Catch you guys. Have a good weekend.
Later, bro. Peace. Yeah, chat, I'm gonna stick around for a little bit, probably till like maybe another 45 minutes or so. Can you explain why you're giving more importance to 15-minute resistance compared to 30 on gold? Yeah, because we're in a very high time of volume right now. So if you look at the clock, it's 9:30, 9:40 technically, but this is when you're going to have a lot of volume dump into the market. So a lot of times if you're waiting on the 30 at that point, you may miss that move. So anytime we're approaching 9 a.m., right? 9 a.m. here, Eastern, which is that new 4-hour candle, I want to look towards the 15-minute because I've got 3 options on the 15 to get into this 9 a.m. candle. Really 4, but I tend to let the 9 a.m. one go. And then 9:15, right? So if these are 15-minute candles, you have potential volume. 9:30, which is the other 15-minute candle, you have potential volume, which is what we did here today, which is banked on the 15-minute time frame at 9:30. Right, and then if you can't get in at 9:30, let's say I didn't take that impulse entry and I'm waiting for a closure, well then you have that last 15, which is going to be 9:45, right? So these are the times I like to utilize the 15-minute time frame as you know, trying to squeeze my way in, right, to catch the volume. Sometimes you can't get in at 9. You got to sit on 9:15. Sometimes you got to wait for 9:30. In this case, if we're waiting for closures here and we didn't take that impulse, I'd be sitting here waiting on 9:45, which is coming up in 3 minutes, right? To potentially get a closure for volume to come in and, you know, push price down. Does that make sense? So I only use it during really, really high times of volume where I'm trying to kind of weasel my way into that 9 a.m. candle, because we know that from 9 to 10, that candle is typically a massive candle. And the volume can come in on any one of these 3, if not all of them, right? Any one of these 3 15-minute candles here. Make sense? Yeah, now if you get a closure back below the range here, now you've got an actual candle closing, and 4-hour now, you know, flipping bearish, 1 hour flipping bearish as well. 30, not the 30, but the 15 closing below the range here. Yeah, the one thing that's throwing us off here is the 30 because the low is way down here. So this candle can come all the way down, respect that low, and move up. So that's where it gets tricky. Push-ups? Yeah, bang them out. Yeah, I don't be talking about the push-ups anymore. I want to see how many of you guys are just doing them. Who's been doing them? I know Green's been doing them. Yeah, I think we closed like perfect time there, honestly. Right at that support here. Yeah, I think we sniper exit that. Let's go, Stephen B. Chola's got an AI APAC. Chola, bro, is that you in that pic, bro? You look like a Muay Thai, like jiu-jitsu, like assassin. Chola, don't let me find out you're really like 300 pounds sitting there eating Doritos. I'm doing a few. Hey, let's go. AK one. Yo, I see Chala's pick and I'm like, yo, I don't want the smoke here, man. I don't want nothing. All right, so the 15 closure here, man, nothing. So you're stuck in the range now. right? Stuck in the range. So I'm very happy with that closure. Now it's on to wait on this 30. So I'm going to hang out with you guys for like another, probably till like 10:15ish, and then if we get nothing, we'll take that one trade and go. Let me put that in the journal here. 9:30 impulse. Oh, 5, 10. Say the 10th, right? 10. How do you save that? Done, right? Yeah, we could do it. Oh, damn, green. What did they do? We got impulses back on the board now. Holy. We're going to call that break of the previous low. 15. Half. I think it was, what did I say? 20, 21, right? 22, I think. 22. Alright, nice. Nice. Green, we're bringing the impulse entries out of retirement. I know Green's smiling over there. No, I did take that trade, David. Yeah, I took that trade, closed about 22 pips in profit, and then just, so that's a trade that I'm kind of beginning to get back into, which is like an impulse type of trade, and just based off of volume. Now look, the volume wasn't there here, right? I was really expecting price to break that low and go, right, and move down and come somewhere down into these ranges, but we were acting very slow there for 9:30, very slow. So yeah, wasn't the best, but it worked. It did the job. All right, we got news coming in at 10, which is the prelims here, right? Yeah. So news coming in at 10. I'm going to hold it. Oh, nice. You can hold it through news? All right, let's go. Let's go, Chala. Anybody else in the cells still? Yeah, you see like what this candle did? It's very similar to what you got here. See how this candle broke the low at 8:15 and drove down? Same, very similar concept here where you break that low at 9:30 and you begin to drive down. So that was that's kind of the idea. This 8:15 move was a bigger move than we got there at 9:30, which typically is not the case, but today it was. You know, so today it was. What's the 4 hour doing here? Just kind of struggling. Oh, damn. All right. A lot of y'all still in cells. It's hard to understand the impulse entry. It is. And to be honest, the impulse entries I used to do a lot, but when I started the live stream and I started to teach the strategy, that's when I began to not take the trades anymore, because it is very difficult to teach, because there really are, you know, better times than others to take impulse entries. So some people just, they'll hear the teaching but they won't understand it fully, and I didn't want that to really like cost people a lot of money and make it hard for them to understand. So we just voided out the impulse entries last year. But Yeah, they may be coming back in the door soon. Happens 100% of the time and goes back to the previous daily high. That might be something for the community. Oh, nice. 100% of the time? Like, it's a serious question too. Like, is that actually data collected? And how much times did you collect the data on? Because 100%, I mean, that says something right there. All right, Scott. Later, brother. Hope you have an amazing day, man. I'll talk to you later. See you, bro. Yeah, NAS took off. NAS took flight there after that 15 support. 9:30, man. 9:30. Yeah, in terms of like the impulse entry, the 15 closing back in range isn't that great of a sign, you know what I mean? You really want to see if you guys are still in sells, you really want to see a candle close below. Then news should drive. Hey, we appreciate all you guys leaving reviews on the Trustpilot on the website here. Thank you guys very, very much. Very sweet and kind reviews here. If you guys haven't visited the Time to Eat website, you guys come on the website, check it out. We've been working on it. Still got some work to do on it. But yeah. Thanks for coming down here and leaving a review on Trustpilot. We really, really appreciate that. A lot of really good, heartfelt reviews, man. So W. Yeah, you got 7 minutes for news coming out here. Yeah, Trustpilot's like, yo, who are you people? They're like, who is this guy? Yeah, really appreciate it, guys. Seriously. W. Remember, daily's still bullish here too, and the 4-hour broke the low in the first 10 minutes of the candle. So it's sketchy, you know what I mean? Sketchy. And we also did not come down and fill the wick at 9:30, which is typically when we would. So I think price is sitting here waiting on this news to come out. Scott's still here? Scott, I thought you were dipping. Gone, man. We're kind of stuck right now. Yeah, we are. We're a bit stuck. This is what you call stuck. Yeah, because look, we just went through 3 high volume times and we got nothing. Three extremely high volume times, one being 9:15, which was, I think, gave us probably the most volume. 50 pips. 9:30 gave you about 50 pips, so nothing too crazy here. We got 5 minutes. In the meantime, who wants to win a 25K challenge account? We're going to pick you guys from the chat, from the live chat. So why don't you guys spin the chat up a bit, and we're going to pick 2 or 3 winners here. Sorry if you guys were having conversations right here. It's about to be bye-bye time. And they're gone. Sorry, guys. Let's go ahead. Yeah, let's do a few giveaways. And see who we can help out here on this lovely Friday to get going for next week. Yeah, just pause the questions for a second. If you guys haven't been here at all, it's your first or second time. This is typically what happens when we're going to do a giveaway. So not the best time to ask an important question. Just give it 5 minutes till everything kind of cools down here. So let's go ahead and do a giveaway. We're going to give away a 25K challenge account. Thanks to Top One for hooking us up with these accounts to be able to give away. I'm just going to randomly pick someone. I'm going to put my mouse right here. And I'm going to look away for a couple seconds. And I'm just going to pick someone randomly. So, yeah, let's do it. I'll count it down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and boom. 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 Oh, hold on. Oh, damn, there's too much motion. All right, who do we get? Oh, Lorenzo. Lorenzo in motion. W, Lorenzo. Do us a favor. Message us on, or you know what? Just type in the prop firm channel on my Discord. Just write W, like right now. Yeah, like right now if you can. Yeah. Come over here. Go to the prop firm and write W. Hurry, 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 hurry before someone copies your name. Oh, you copycats are hustling right now. All right, Lorenzo in motion. We got that one, guys? All right, there's Lorenzo. Let me send you a message real quick, Lorenzo. Yo, yo. Lorenzo got motion. Hey, Lorenzo, big W. We've actually chatted quite a bit. You were in the boot camp. Nice. Lovely. W. Congrats, man. Congratulations. You'll have that account today. It'll be all set for you on Monday. Let's go ahead and pick another winner here. So we're going to do the same exact thing in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The second winner of the 25K account giveaway goes to Vaselina. Vaselina FX. W. W. Yeah, same thing. If you can message the Discord real quick, that'd be fantastic. Boom. Same thing. Try and be quick like Lorenzo. Gotta have some motion. That boy got motion. Lorenzo, I'm gonna get back to you after the stream, all right? Hurry, 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 Vaselina. Hurry, hurry. It's rigged. Hey, yo. All right, here we go. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and the winner goes to boom. Oh, chat. Damn, that's a middle one. Sheesh, Scott and Ray, I'm sorry, boys. No one's highlighted. Damn. Yeah, sorry, guys. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. Here we go. Ready? All right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hard stop. 25K challenge account goes to... Ooh, another middle ground stop. Sorry, gang. Sorry. All right, let's do it again. Come on, Nick Stewart. Get a grip of this. All right. My bad. All right, the third winner for the challenge account, 25K, goes to, boom. Lights Fire W, bro. Yo, W Lights Fire. Holy. All right, man. I know you. You can message me on Discord. Sheesh. Lights Fire, man. All right. Wow. Weren't you taking a quick little pause here from trading too to kind of just settle down? That's a W, man. Fresh account. All right, we'll do one more because I like even numbers. All right, we'll do one more. This candle's closing. Let's watch the news come out real quick, and then we'll do it. Let's see if any fireworks sparks happen. Will we go up or down? Up or down? Up or down? All right. There's more fireworks in the chat than there is in the chart. All right, let's do it. We got one more account to give away. Vaselina, did you message us in Discord yet? I don't see your message there. Hey, I see lights fire. W. W. All right, let's pick the last winner here. So the fourth winner. So 100K in challenges here today. Let's see who we got. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and the winner goes to Mr. BTC. Wow, congratulations, man. Been putting in work too. W, bro. W. Amazing. I dig it. I dig it. Congrats, guys. Congratulations. W. You guys will all have those accounts later on. Message me on Discord, everyone. Outside of Lorenzo and Lights Fire, because they already messaged me. Yo, insane word wags. Yo, W, Mr. BTC. Big dubs. Sheesh. Big W. Wow, Ray and Scott, I think it was. Ray and Scott. I'm gonna figure something out. I'm gonna figure something out for you guys. Yeah. I'll make something happen. I got you. Oh, there he is. All right, W. All right, cool. I got all the winners now. I will I'll message all you guys back, all right, after the live stream. I write it, bro. All right, bro. Wait, you're not a bro? You don't look like a bro to me. Bro. Nah, Ray, Scott. I'm gonna make something happen for you guys. I got you. Let me see what kind of strings I could pull over at top one. Don't worry. Worry not, my friends. Worry not. Hey, you never know. You never know, Peter. Never say never, man. I will never win this? All right, then. I guess you're right. I don't know, man. Either way, you're right. Yo, what up, Usman? How are you, brother? Usman. Oi! Hey, I told you guys yesterday, right? Me and Sam were talking the other day for quite some time too. So for those of you guys wondering where Sam's at, Sam's doing great. He's been a little busy. He's moving. He's got a new lady. So they've been, kind of getting familiar with each other, I would say. And yeah, he'll be back soon. As a man thinketh in his heart, so is he. Amen. W Sam. Oi! Yeah, man. Sam Capital. Sam is a major part of Time to Eat, of what we put together here. Sam came on board, I would say, a couple months after we started the live stream, maybe 2 or maybe 3 months after we started the stream. And I looked up to Sam from a while back, because he actually he used to be a streamer, Sam, and he honestly was pretty solid. I would watch him from time to time. Mr. Big Pip. I was Mr. Big Pip on his stream. Remember that, Green? Yeah, so you got a 1 hour seller replay happening right now, but it's kind of like within, or 30 minute, I'm sorry. But it is kind of like within range here. News actually didn't come out too aggressive either. This probably could have been somewhat tradable. Red numbers, yeah. So gold should move up here. Oh, yeah, lights fire with the W, man. Holy. Yeah, so NAS kind of pushing down here off the news. Gold pushing up. Got a 15 close coming up in about 8 minutes. Just basically today we went from range to range. Right? I mean, if you remove everything, all we've done here today is we went from this range to this range. So not much happening at all. Couple little spikes up, spikes down, but nothing too crazy here on this Friday. Yeah, range game today. Range to range. Yeah, you could probably look at this whole thing as one big range too. Chippy. Chippy. Yeah, we must have some. We had no news. It makes perfect sense, right? We had no news this week at all. So outside of unemployment claims yesterday, which kind of fired us up, other than that, it's been a very slow week. It's not much or many weeks that you have very little to no red folder news, but this was certainly one of them. I think next week we have some important stuff going on though. Yeah, we got CPI or PPI and CPI coming in. So yeah, next week is full of news. Unemployment claims. Yeah, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday next week is going to be heavy. It's going to be hot. It's going to get hot. Monday's not too bad, but yeah, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday is be big volume days next week. We like news. See, we get to the point where like, man, there's always news in the way, and then we don't have news. It's crappy price action, right? Just chopping around, smaller candles. You know, big pushes, but very, very little, like just quick 1 hour candles or something like that. So it's like, once you have news in the market, you got volatility, you got volume. But without that news, man, just pretty much rangy.
Thank
I know God's testing me, but I'll keep showing up. That's it, man. Yo, main character vibes. You know, this is your life is a movie, right? Just pretend. I love that Joe Rogan interview where he's like, you know, nothing like an underdog, man. You know, to basically pretend that you are in a movie, you're the main character, your life is absolute crap to this point, and you've got to change it, right? And now watch the movie unfold, figure it out. Like, you're the main character. You can go out and change your circumstances, right? Remember, you can only control your attitude, the way you look at things, and your actions, right? What you do. So if you can control those two things, you'll get so far ahead. Most people worry about things that actually are never even going to happen in their life, right? They spend so much time worrying about this and that and the weather and this thing and that person. It's like, is any of that relevant to where you're going? You know, you really got to learn how to block out the noise. It's a skill set that you got to develop. And when you block out that noise and you set your sights on where you want to go, and you officially become the main character of your life, and stop blaming everything and blaming this and blaming that, and just understand that everything happens, you know, for you in life, not to you. And you wrap that perspective around, you know, everything you view life as. I'm telling you, you're gonna There's no doubt you'll move forward. There's no doubt, but a lot of times we are the ones that continue to hold ourselves back. Right? It's no one's coming to save you. Right? It's no one's fault but our own, man. It's a tough pill to swallow, but ain't no one coming to save you. So just work. Just win. Just win. Just find a way to win. That's what my mentor would always say. Find a way to win. Just find a way to win. Success doesn't care about you. It doesn't care about your circumstances. It doesn't care that your friend got into a car accident. It doesn't care that you woke up late. It doesn't care about anything. A relative passing away or anything. All success cares about is, will you do the work that it takes to get the desired result? That's it. You know, now you should find groups and associations and communities like this one that can care for you, right? And maybe help you in those hard times. But success, it does not care. It doesn't have a pulse. Doesn't give a rip what happened in your life. All that matters is, are you doing what the necessary steps it takes to get from A to B? That's it. All right, Billy O'Neill. See you later, big dog. So, yeah, 15 looked like it was going to close above. There's still 3 minutes left here. Lost 50% yesterday. Any advice? Yeah, I would lower risk. To lose 50% of your account is a bit much. You know, you don't want to go in a hole that much just off of one day. So, you know, maybe lower your risk a little bit. It's okay to lose in a day, but it's, you know, then there's a certain point where you don't want to lose 50% of your capital, you know, in one day. Later, Wags. Later, lad. Later. Success doesn't have a pulse, man. My mentor, one time we were in a car ride, couple-hour ride, we were talking, and he taught me all about sowing and reaping, all about the process. And you know, when you're building foundation, think about when they put up a building, right? You ever see the construction workers when it's like foundation time? It's nasty, it's dirty, it's muddy, it's, you know, it's tough, right, down there as they build that foundation. And the foundation takes the most, right, because that foundation is going to hold up that entire building. So that's the rough area, that's the dirty, the nasty, that's where you get all banged up and cuts and bruises, and you know, it's just nasty down there. But you need that foundation, and as that foundation is built, that's where now the building can begin to rise, right? And it's no different from me and you, right, to that building or to a seed that's planted. So even if some of you guys are into like gardening, right, and you know when you're getting that seed going, it's dirty, you gotta pay attention to it, you gotta give it water, and you know, it's rough down there. But then when the flower blooms, right, if it didn't have that growth below the surface, that foundation built, then it would just fall down, right? So that's how you have to look at your journey in success. Some people it's going to take months. Some people, for me, it took years. It took years for me. You know, I wish it would have taken months, but my foundation took years to build. But everyone's story is different. You know what I mean? So you just got to run your race and don't get too caught up in the day-to-day, in the dirt of building the foundation. Just set your sights on the blueprint, on the building that you're, you know, the design that you're building, you know what I mean, and focus on that, and that will keep you going. I overtrade? Yeah, that'll do it, man. That'll do it, Daniel. Overtrading it seems to never work for anyone, right? So if it doesn't work for anyone, then it most likely won't work for you. So if you feel like you're falling into overtrading, and you know, there's going to be a part in the day where you're like, hold on, I'm definitely overtrading right now. Just stop. Just stop. Just put the gun down. Yeah, nasty closure here. Nothing, man. Nothing. I think that'll do it. What do you say, chat? I think it was a good week. We let's take a look at the week here. What day did the week start on? I think it was the 6th, right? Yeah, so 6, 7. Oh yeah, by the way, this is 8. I know where I made that mistake yesterday. These two are 5, 8. Yeah. So I think we traded every day. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Yeah, so we took a trade or multiple trades each day this week. If we start from the 6th, we took what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wins and 2 losses. So pretty good week. A very choppy week, you know, not a lot of volume, no news or anything really. Just daily kind of tricky as well. So for the week that was in front of us in terms of like price action perspective, I think it was a really solid week, man. So W to all you guys who followed your plan this week. It's the weekend. It's time to evaluate and kind of review trades and go over them and see what you could have done a little bit better, what you did really good at, and just find your strengths and weaknesses on a week-to-week basis, man, and you'll stay sharp. You know, you'll stay sharp. So unless you guys have any more questions, comments, concerns, I think we can call it here. Oh, you're welcome, Mr. Lopez. Yeah, I think we're good then. All right. W's on the way out of here, chat. If you're continuing to trade today, I would remain totally away from this range and wait for your closures outside the range. As always, don't over risk, don't over trade, and follow your plan. All right. Blessings to you guys. Seriously, hope you guys have a great weekend. Love y'all, and we'll see you back here on Monday. Later.
That's when he does the magic of turning dark to light. He spread his love for all to step into his life. He reversed the logic of living first to die.
Saved my soul from getting defeated, saved my body from getting deleted. Most of the times I couldn't believe it. Holy Spirit, I receive it. I don't deserve this, man, I'm not worth it, but he still loved me when I deserve it. He still gave his life on the cross. His loving is different cause I couldn't earn it. So this life I'm living is blessed, and you know that the wages of sin is death, but he put my spirit to rest. Got the blood of the lamb has paid all my debt. I am free, ain't no stress. I believe that I am the best. Got the Holy Spirit on my chest, so man, I won't let the enemy rest.